What's the meaning of climatological? Climatological. Climatological.
Climatological. Climatological. Climatological refers to the study of climate over a period of time, typically spanning at least several decades. It involves the analysis of weather patterns and atmospheric conditions to understand long-term trends and fluctuations in temperature, precipitation, and other climatic factors. Climatological research is essential for predicting future climate patterns and assessing the impacts of human activities on the planet's climate. By analyzing historical weather data and studying various atmospheric processes, climatologists can develop models to forecast climate trends and identify potential areas of concern for policymakers and resource managers.